Another unboxing video. This time it's a Porsche 911 GT3 RS purple. This one from AUTOart instead of Mini Champs. Working the knife, carefully opening the box, trying not to slice any of my fingers. We need to come up with quick release packing tape that would hold the box securely yet still pop open instantly. I need someone to get to work on that. Still cutting like a surgeon with a scalpel. Look at the care, look at the power behind the wrists. There we go. Pry the box open. Styrofoam peanuts, my favorite packing material. Always happy to see them. Always hate to clean them up. Let's just take these over and dump them, and they've been dumped. We're back. Pull the box out. Lovely AUTOart box. Crack this sucker open. Alrighty, off camera a little bit here while I pull open the flap. Got it out without tearing. Sliding the box loose. And there's a little AUTOart key, good for opening doors and hoods. Better keep that handy. Let's get the knife and cut the tape. Let's get the knife and cut the tape. Let's get the knife and cut. Okay, there we go. Finally got the hint. Nothing better than watching these videos back and voicing over and being out of sync with myself, even though I shot it. And there we have a lovely purple Porsche. Shot from above with the GoPro. So glad they have that overhead view now. That image is a little soft though. Apparently I've zoomed in too much. I probably need to lower that camera down closer to the table. Playing with the steering there. You can see the steering wheel turn as I move the tires. Trying to figure out if I can open the hood. Got the trunk open, or I guess technically the engine compartment. Driver's side door open, shut. Contemplating using the knife to open the hood, changed my mind. Got the key instead so I don't scratch the paint, because there's no point in just being stupid. Got the hood open. Let's zoom in and get a closer look with the other camera. There's the trunk or cargo compartment, however you want to call it. Zoom out a little bit. And that's a good looking vehicle. And again, this one is in my collection because it's one I actually drove out at Exotics Racing Las Vegas. That's not an endorsement, simply a statement of fact. That said, it was a very fun car to drive, and if I go back and they still have one in their fleet, I will definitely drive it again, because it's a driver's car, to put it mildly. And there we have the Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.